When I look up at the night sky, the moon almost feels like an old friend, always showing the same bright smile. But here's a wild fact: we only ever see one side. The far side, the hidden half, spent billions of years in the shadows, completely out of sight from Earth. For centuries, it was pure mystery. But that all changed in 2019, when China pulled off one of the boldest space moves of our time. So, why do I call it the far side and not the dark side? Well, it's a common mix-up. The far side definitely gets sunlight, it just never lines up with us on Earth. That's thanks to something called tidal locking. The moon spins at the exact pace it orbits us, so one face is always turned our way, but the far side isn't just mysterious, it's seriously different. When scientists got their first close-up, they saw it was wilder, rougher, packed with craters and mountains. There are hardly any of those dark lava seas or Maria that make up the moon's familiar face. Back in December 2018, China launched the Chang'e-4 mission, aiming for something no one had ever done: land a rover softly on the far side. On January 3, 2019, they nailed the landing inside the von Karman crater, nested within the gigantic South Pole Aitken Basin, a scar so ancient and deep it's one of the solar system's oldest impact zones. But landing was just half the battle. Because the far side never faces Earth, direct radio contact is impossible. So, China sent a relay satellite called Queqiao into lunar orbit, acting like a cosmic messenger, bouncing signals between Earth and the rover. What did Chang'e-4 and its rover, Yutu-2, discover out there? For starters, the lander carried a mini biosphere, tiny seeds, yeast, even fruit fly eggs, to see how life might behave under lunar gravity. But the real breakthrough came with Yutu-2's ground-penetrating radar. It revealed layers under the surface like a cosmic layer cake, hinting at a wild history of ancient lava flows and impacts. And here's the jaw-dropper. Yutu-2 found evidence of material from the moon's mantle, the deep, hidden layer that scientists have never seen up close before. That's a game-changer for understanding how our moon came to be. Even the soil surprised everyone. It's unusually sticky and strange, suggesting the far side weathers space in its own unique way. The Chang'e-4 mission wasn't just a technological triumph. It cracked open a whole new chapter in lunar exploration. With NASA's Artemis and China's plans for a lunar base, who knows? Maybe the far side will soon be the front line of space science. Will humans ever walk there? I can't wait to find out. If you're as curious as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic discoveries.